Look at the icicles on our house. They're freaking ginormous. Good morning. So Revi and I just woke up. And look at this little rainbow baby's outfit. How adorable is that? Anyway, I am like appalled at the freaking snow. Like, what? Wait till I open this door. I'm gonna let Grizzy in. I have to put the baby down to let her in. But you are gonna be like amazed. This is the most snow I've ever seen in years. Like years. Okay, hold on. Okay, so both the girls are awake. Revi has napped and is in her swing happy. And while she's happy in her swing, I'm gonna just shovel off the back patio so the girls can at least get outside to play in the snow. Look at how much freaking snow we got. Literally, like, this is the door. That, like, literally, what? You can tell from the top. That's the top of our table, and look at the snow on top of it. Holy heck. My baby. Oh, we are getting dressed to play in the snow, and look at this baby. Are you gonna go in the snow, big girl?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Aspen, get dressed. Hurry. This baby ate and fell asleep. This girl's trying to get her boots on. And this girl is shoveling for me. Hey, girl, hey.
Hey, girl.
You're shoveling? Good job. Yep, throw it over your head. Good job.
Wait, Indy. You guys coming?
Yep, we're coming now.
Do
you still want your black balloon or no? Hey, girls.
My balloon is having so much fun.
Wow.
I'm making a seat for somebody to sit.
Oh, look, Daisy made a trail to the garage.
Mom.
Look at Daisy's trail. What?
I'm just making a seat for somebody who doesn't want to stand anymore.
Just sit down and it'll make a seat.
No, I'm just
What do you think, girls?
I'm making it flat. There. Look it. Hi. What the haystack?
No, don't walk up there. That was for the igloo. If you walk on it, then... Alright, go ahead. You can sit up there too, Indy. Try not to... Don't stand up there, because if you put your feet in it, it'll be too packed and Daddy can't make an igloo. Yeah, try to... And then just slide down when you come down. See, it's packing too much. Daddy won't be able to make an igloo. Wave to me. Whoa. No, Aspen, don't walk up there. Good job. So little Miss is taking her nap outside while the girls shovel. Indy, stop hitting the wires, okay? So this huge pile of snow here, Daddy is gonna make a big igloo when he gets home. And we're so excited. Are you excited, Aspen? Daddy said not to climb on it if you want it to be an igloo. What are you crying for? Miss? Did it pop?
No.
Oh. Look how high the snow is. Look at our front gate. That's my waist. That line where the handle is my waist. Holy heck. What can we find? What can we find? A baby in the snow. Hi. Look at this thing. Look at this little tiny, oh, she's slipping. Look at this little tiny baby on this mound of snow. This is how much snow we got, people. Hi. Who are these little bear toes? Who's those little bears? Let me see you, Azzy. Whoa. Oops, keep the snow off of her, okay? She wants to sit up. You want to sit up? Sit up in that. Oh, you're sliding, baby. Ooh, come here. Hi. Say hi. We are now inside. I am studying because I have an exam tonight, but we are warming up. It was freezing. What's happening? Indy's not really putting her weight on her. I know it looks like that, but she's not. And I'm gonna go make hot chocolate. Hopefully their dad is home soon because I need to study for my test. Alright, hot chocolate, here we come! Alright guys, so I suck at ever ending the vlog, but it's officially 10 o'clock, which is way too late. Taylor and I started watching Teen Mom 2 together.
This is the time I said.
Okay, perfect. I see it, Indy. Good job. So we started watching Teen Mom 2 together. After he got home, I had a test online, and he shoveled a bunch of stuff when he got home too. So Reverie is sleeping. I'll show you that in a minute when we say goodnight, but I'm just gonna help the girls love their artwork. I'm gonna help the girls brush their teeth and get to bed.
Sorry.
Okay, say goodnight to the camera.
Good night.
Before I go upstairs and go to bed, I have to show you guys the icicles that were on top of the house, on the roof. You can see them from the girls' room. They're now pointing in towards the house because they started melting. How freaking, oh, is it gonna focus? How scary does that look? Look, they're literally pointing right at us. Like, if they fall, they're gonna, like, stab into the window. Do you see that? Oh, I hate the way it looks. I want to scratch them all off.
I want to scratch them off too.
I want to scratch them down. They don't look good. They look weird. I don't like it. Wow, the one over there is so long. Let's go see by your window. Oh, we can't see it. Alright, I pulled the window down so we can look at it. It's a heckin' long icicle. Look at that bad boy. That's probably 2 feet. While the window's down, I just want to show these to you again. Look, they actually are pointing in here. Can I get a better view? Look at this.
I'm scared. Are you going to tell us?
Like, what? No. Literally pointing in there.
They're literally, if they try it again.
Who do you think they are?
That one is too long that it's going to break in here.
Hopefully not.
Yes, it will.
Good morning, good morning. I got woke up early to the baby throwing up on me. And it's my birthday today. Let's go downstairs. Let's see if Taylor says happy birthday to me or not.
I'm starting to get a feeling that hey, you look good.
Anything else?
You want a chip?
Anything else?
Do you feel old?
Yeah. Guess what I got Christmas?
You're 29 with 3 kids.
No, I'm not. Guess
What?
I got Christmas with?
What?
She puked on me, waking me up. No, I'm only 28.
I know.
Oh.
Whoa, look at that. Want some chips, Mom? Damn it.
Girls,
What do you want?
Aspen, come here. Girls, guess what? Guess what today is?
Today.
Mommy's birthday.
I don't care that much. I care.
What do you want to say to me?
Happy birthday for a balloon. No.
Guess how
For
old
a toy balloon.
Guess how old I turned today?
What?
28.
Happy birthday for this toy balloon.
Thank you.
It was nice.
So I have gospel music playing in the living room. That's like puts me in the best mood always, gospel music. I don't know why, it just speaks to my soul. I'm not even that religious, but I just love it. Aspen accidentally fell asleep the first time that I was trying to put the baby to sleep, but the baby didn't end up going to sleep, so she came down here and was awake for a little bit and then ate and then passed out because she kind of skipped that like first nap. So Indy went outside while I was trying to put the baby to sleep. So I'm gonna reheat my coffee and I'm gonna join her because who doesn't want to get to play in the snow on their birthday? I love playing in the snow. So where's my gloves?
That's what I was doing while I was alone out here.
My gosh, it's so bright.
I know! It hurt my eyes when I first came out. I was like,
Holy moly, it hurt my eyes just now.
look, this is what I did when I first came out. Ow.
Look at all that snow.
This is how it's
Holy heck. What?
Some bad monsters and creeps from jail. I wanted to ruin my life, but I was just going to call the cops if they ever
Come over here in case more icicles break.
What?
Come over here. You were gonna call the cops?
Yeah, because some monster escaped from jail. I was going to call the cops, but every time the cops chased me, I called the cops.
Do you see this huge icicle?
Yeah.
This broke on my back yesterday. It was longer. It's solid. It fell off of the roof, honey, and broke on my back, so you have to be careful if you go over there. Yeah, so yesterday, that icicle, I was shoveling right there. I got to right there and look up all the icicles on the top of the house. One of them fell down and broke on my back. And these are no small icicles. Look at them from the side, how long they are. Those are not small icicles, those are like 2 feet. Those are some big icicles.
Yeah.
It's my birthday, so we're all having popsicles for lunch
I
together.
finished my popsicle though. Yeah, it's done.
Yummy.
It was really good.
Here you go. How'd you like it?
It's good.